Removes stains, wrinkles, scars and acne with homemade microdermabrasion. Do you want to eliminate from your skin spots, scars, acne and wrinkles? I invite you to try then this very simple treatment of homemade microdermabrasion that I teach them to prepare then that I started to use about a month ago and I have loved, since I have seen surprising changes in my skin. Is more luminous, I have noticeably diminished the stains caused by the sun and freckles. My pores are cleaner and closed, and although I do not have lines of expression or wrinkles, I notice that my skin looks smoother and more beautiful. Microdermabrasion is a treatment very similar to a peeling, but less aggressive for the skin, and what it does is renew the skin, remove scars, reduce stains, close the pores and eliminate dead cells that make the skin look lifeless and tired. Although there are many places specializing in this type of treatment, they are often not available, as they are very expensive. So today I want to teach them how to make a microdermabrasion, homemade, super economic and effective. To prepare the paste that you are going to apply on your face, you need the following ingredients. A spoonful of baking soda, droplets of extra virgin olive oil. Mix the baking soda with the olive oil until it forms a paste that is not so liquid or so thick. And with the help of a sponge, cotton or with your hands, apply this mixture on your face, avoiding the area of the eyes, doing a gentle circular massage. Do not worry if you feel something itchy, as it is normal, but if it hurts or it burns, it is important that you remove it immediately. Let it act on your skin for 5 minutes and remove with plenty of water.